Hello everyone. RRB technician key answer shift 1 December 27. What is the SI unit of the mass and the SI unit of the weight is? The answer for this question is SI unit of the mass is kilogram and the SI unit of the weight is Newton is the correct answer. What is the pH value of the gastric juice in a people of healthy people? The answer for this question is 1.5 to 3.5. However, the pH can high as 7 in the presence of gastric ulcers and certain gastric cancers. What connects the muscle to bones? The correct answer for this question is tendons connect to the muscle to bones. Which bank offers the Amrit Vrishti scheme? The Amrit Vrishti scheme is offered by the State Bank of India is the correct answer. SBI Bank offers the Amrit Vrishti scheme. अमृत सृष्टि स्कीम योजना कौन सा बैंक प्रदान करता है? अमृत सृष्टि योजना भारतीय स्टेट बैंक द्वारा प्रदान की जाती है. How many daughter cells are produced in the binary fission? The answer for this question is binary fission is produced by 2 daughter cells is the correct answer. द्विखंडन में कितनी पुत्र कोशियां बनती है? द्विखंडन में 2 पुत्र कोशियां बनती है. Which organization launched the India's first book on sports marketing? The answer for this question is IISM. The International Institute of Sports Management launched India's first book on sports marketing. भारत की पहला खेल विपणन स्पोर्ट्स मार्केटिंग पुस्तक किस संगठन में लॉन्च की है? इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट भारत की पहली खेल विपणन पुस्तक लॉन्च की गई है. How much 298 Kelvin in Celsius? 298 Kelvin in Celsius is subtract the 298 Kelvin in 273.5. The correct answer for this question is 24.85 degrees Celsius is the correct answer. What is the use of the concave lens with a power of minus 0.5 diopters? The answer for this question is what is the use of the concave lens? A concave lens is a 0.5 is used to correct myopia. Which lens used in the correction of the power of minus 0.5 diopter? The correct answer is concave lens used for the myopia. What is the formula for the magnification of the lens V and U? The correct answer for this question is magnification formula V by U, where V is the image distance of the image from the lens. U is the object distance of the object from the lens. V और U संदर्भ में लेंस के आवर्धन सूत्र क्या है? M is equal to V by U आवर्धन सूत्र है. If a force is 5 Newton is applied to an object, its displacement is 3 meters. What will the work done? What is the formula for work done? W is equal to F into S. They given Newton force, they given displacement 3 meter. 5 3 is 15 joules. What is the SI unit of the work is joule. The correct answer is 15 joules. What type of movement is found in paramecium? The correct answer for this is ciliary movement is found in the paramecium. Paramecium में किस प्रकार की गति पाई जाती है? Ciliary movement यानी पार्श्व भी गति पाई जाती है. What is the force on the earth due to the moon? If the full force of the moon is 2.02 into 10 to the power of 20 n, the answer is for this question is the force on the earth is also same 2.02 into 10 to the power of 20 Newton. This quality is due to the gravitational force of the being mutual between two bodies. Which ions are released by the acids and bases respectively? Acid release H plus ions and the bases release OH minus ions is the correct answer. Where was the Tata Aircraft Complex for the manufacturing C-295 aircraft inaugurated? The correct answer for this question is in Ododara, Gujarat. The Tata Aircraft Complex for manufacturing C-295 aircraft inaugurated. C-295 विमान के निर्माण के लिए टाटा एयरक्राफ्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उद्घाटन कहाँ किया गया है? वडोदरा, गुजरात में किया गया है. Who was the first person to observe living cells in water and when? Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first person to observe the living cells in water in 1674. सबसे पहले जल जीवित कोशिकाओं को एंटोन वल लीक ने ऑब्जर्व किया है 1674 में. When ferrous sulfate is heated, what happens? It is a thermal decomposition reaction that produces ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Where was the Param supercomputer recently organized? Param Rudra supercomputer recently inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the SN Bose National Center for Basic Sciences in Kolkata. Kolkata is the correct answer. परम रुद्र सुपर कंप्यूटर का हाल ही में उद्घाटन कहाँ किया गया है? परम रुद्र सुपर कंप्यूटर उद्घाटन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी द्वारा कोलकाता स्थित एएम बोस राष्ट्रीय आधारभूत विज्ञान केंद्र में किया गया है। कोलकाता में किया गया है, सही जवाब है। Who was awarded the 53rd Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award in 2023? Correct answer for this question is Wahida Rahman was awarded the 53rd Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award in 2023 for her contribution to Indian cinema. Thank you for watching.